These are the scenes that unfolded in the National Assembly in February as the EFF moved to demand that President Ramaphosa be held accountable, even despite various agencies clearing the president of wrongdoing. 6 EFF MPs are now being charged for contempt of parliament for their actions. They include EFF leader Julius Malema, Floyd Shibambu, Marshall Dlamini, Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, Vuyani Pambo, and Sinawo Tambo. The EFF has indicated that it has approached the High Court in Cape Town to hold the disciplinary hearings pending their legal challenge to the disciplinary rules of Parliament.
If you continue constituting the committee in the current fashion, you will fall foul of the common law rule against bias, and your proceedings will be unlawful and unconstitutional. So that is why we do not ask that the matter should not sit. We've never made that request. But what we do, we ask that the matter should sit before a neutral, independent chairperson.
However, this was opposed by the initiator of the hearings.
The current application 52 for postponement has been brought for one purpose only: to delay the commencement of the inquiry on unsustainable grounds. It has not been brought in good faith. It has been brought at the 11th hour in what may legitimately be regarded as an ambush. The application for postponement must be dismissed.
In the end, the committee resolved to proceed with the proceedings.
Taking all relevant factors into account, the committee has not been persuaded that the inquiry will not be conducted in a reasonable and procedural fair manner. The affected members have not made out a case for a postponement of their hearing. In the circumstances, the committee has decided that there is no factual or legal basis for the hearing to be postponed, and the inquiry should commence.
But this was met with resistance by the EFF, and the party and its legal representatives staged a walkout of the proceedings.
Those our legal representatives, they must now leave that place, and we're also leaving this nonsense of a kangaroo court. Thank you.
There's only one witness, and he has concluded his testimony.
In the event of serious disruption in the chamber as a result of member resisting to be removed, the presiding officer may suspend proceedings. So, because there was a sense that what was happening was unprecedented, it was not sanctioned by the rules, and the speaker took the actions that she took precisely because she felt also that the manner it happened was in breach of the rules. So, in my view, there was a disruption in the House.
The EFF says its disciplinary hearing should not be at the mercy of its political opponents, and it wants the committee to wait for the outcome of the December 4 High Court case on the legal challenge over the rules of the parliamentary disciplinary hearing. Ulilani Philip, SABC News, Parliament.